Hello everyone, this is my Volvo S80 2002 central whiner button control. I found out that this particular button wasn't controlling, but the button at the back button was working, but this wasn't working. And my mirror left and right wasn't working. If you select any, it tilts towards the right. So I had to bring it out, open it up to know exactly if there are drops of liquid inside or not. Let me know exactly. So I've opened everything. This is one part. I've also dismantled this as well. This flat foil cable that connects to this, I've also dismantled, as you can see. But I guess this is not the problem. The problem lies within here. I'd also opened it up. This is the contactors that contacts the button. I've also opened it up. If you can see some traces of liquid in here, and also some traces of liquid as well near the LEDs, like here, all over the places. So I will clean it up. When I'm done, I will have to couple it and we'll test to see if it's working. Yeah, I finished cleaning up the contacts. As you can see, the traces of liquids are no longer seen. These also the contactors. Just couple in reverse order. Put back this. These are the LEDs. Just put back in reverse order. This is the control. This is where your cable goes into, your flat foil cable. Don't mind me, I don't have a workbench. I had to work at home, so I'm using my mattress as a workbench for now. This is the flat foil cable that enters here. I'm going to hasten it up a little bit because I'm the only one working. But what I'm going to do next is to connect the flat foil cable in here, put this one back, then put it in here, then we'll go and test and see, to see if our problem has been rectified. Few minutes. Let's go and have it tested. As you can see, I've coupled it up, but I needed to test it first of all before coupling it finally. This is the back one that wasn't working initially. This one. Then the two side mirrors that were malfunctioning, but we have to test them. The ignition is on already. Let's test the back one. Wow, working. Then let's check the side mirrors. Working perfectly well. Let's check the other one. Yeah, working perfectly well as well. So we are done. We'll have to couple it finally and put this as well, and we are done.